It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Monday, the 25th of January. I'm Michael Groff. A vigorous and extremely cold winter storm is moving into the southwest today, and that will bring about almost every possible bit of observable weather we can have. We'll have clouds, maybe a little bit of sun, patches of fog, rain, gusty winds, thunderstorms, maybe a few strong or severe thunderstorms, the potential of some hail. And yes, the question that everybody is asking, will it snow anywhere here in the Metro Phoenix area? We'll talk about all of that, try to answer your questions as we dive in and discuss. All right, yesterday in the valley, 56 degrees was the afternoon high. That low temperature of 48, that occurred at 11:19 p.m. We also picked up 0.03 of an inch of rain officially at Sky Harbor, although some of you did see some more. And there were a few spots that saw some hail, even some graupel out in Gilbert yesterday morning. And outside now, here just after 7 o'clock, we've got mostly cloudy sky out there, some showers knocking on the door of the West Valley. And we're sitting at 46 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 39, relative humidity 79%, the wind from the southeast at 15 miles per hour, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures this morning, 39, the cool spot at Thompson Peak and on South Mountain. Otherwise, most locations through the metro are in the 40s. Here's a peek at the radar right now here across the area as of 7:03 a.m. And at that time, we did have some scattered showers here across south central Arizona. One area moving out of the valley across the eastern portion of Maricopa and northern Pinal County. Another batch of light to moderate showers over western Maricopa County and moving into the West Valley. And we do expect aerial coverage of showers and some thunderstorms to increase over the next several hours as that cold front approaches. Here's the upper air look, a rapidly deepening area of low pressure moving down the California coast, and that will begin to swing east across the area later this afternoon, tonight, and tomorrow. Here's the watch warning map. It is all lit up. We've got a number of winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories over the Plain States, much of the Midwest, and out here through the West as well. Winter storm warnings up north, and travel may become impossible across the rim country of our state over the next 24 to 48 hours. As, again, the snow is coming down like crazy. We're going to see totals measured in feet, as some spots, yes, could see as much as 2 to 3 feet of snow up that way. And then across the deserts, a high wind warning in effect for parts of Imperial County, wind advisories elsewhere from southeast California through southwest and south central Arizona. And that includes a wind advisory for the Phoenix area from 10 a.m. this morning through 4 p.m. this afternoon. Those are gradient winds. Those will be winds away from thunderstorms. And of course, within any thunderstorms that develop today, we could see wind gusts approaching severe limits. Speaking of, here's the convective outlook for today. A marginal risk of severe storms from around the Arklatex region east toward Little Rock, Memphis, Tupelo, Mississippi, over toward Birmingham, Alabama. In Arizona, no organized severe weather is expected. Some thunder possible across much of the state, and a couple of cells through the day today might approach severe criteria. And the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix between 1/2 and 1 inch. Heavier totals, of course, up north of us, where again, most of that will be coming down in the form of snow. All right, it's a rather wild weather pattern. Where is it all going? Let's figure it out as we dive into modeling. Here we go. This is the HRRR, the High Resolution Rapid Refresh at 11 a.m. this morning. And what you're looking at here is the simulated radar product. And at that point, we've got our frontal band, our main band of precipitation will be coming into the western and central portion of the state. Now, scattered showers will be around before this, but this is where our best concentration of heaviest precipitation, maybe some thunderstorms, perhaps even a few strong storms comes into the mix. And I'll show you, this is a forecast sounding coming off of the HRRR at noon today. And we show these on the video from time to time, and I know to some of you this looks like a bunch of gobbledygook, but what we're looking at here is a profile of the atmosphere. And there is a possibility of at least some brief, severe thunderstorms here across south central Arizona, including Phoenix during the midday hours. Cape values, our instability profile, not overly impressive, but here in the cool season, it doesn't take a lot of instability to trigger thunderstorms or even severe storms. Cape values around 500 to 600 joules per kilogram. Shear values in the lower and mid levels of the atmosphere around 50 to 60 knots. There's even a little bit of helicity. So thunderstorms today will be capable of producing strong gusty winds, maybe up to 50 miles per hour or so, perhaps hail up to half to 3/4 of an inch in diameter. And with the very cold air aloft, I guess there is even the possibility of a very brief little cold air funnel cloud that could occur. Probably wouldn't touch the ground, but just something to consider with such an unstable and cold air mass that we have in place. The bottom line is, we'll see a chance of showers this morning, then rain becomes widespread by the midday, should continue through at least the mid to late afternoon hours. This is the HRRR at 4 o'clock this afternoon, and at that point we still have showers and thunderstorms in the area. They'll be moving out though, and then after that, the precipitation should become more scattered. And we'll look at this kind of on a synoptic scale now as we get a peek at the global models. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, and this is valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. And you can see our very vigorous and cold system now moving into southeast California and western Arizona at that time. And upper heights between 531 and 534 decameters. That just highlights how very cold and very intense this low happens to be. Down at the surface, yes, still those scattered to numerous showers will be ongoing across south central Arizona for the rest of the afternoon and the overnight hours. You want to find snow, there's plenty of it up along the rim country. And even in the deserts over toward Las Vegas, yes, they will see precipitation mostly in the form of snow. The Vegas area, I know some of you watch us from there, you could see potentially 1 to 3 inches of snow in the Las Vegas Valley. Of course, now the question in Phoenix is, will we see any snow? And I'm going to give you the short answer first, and that is probably no. However, here's your caveat. Later tonight and through the overnight hours, the very cold air comes in, and certainly above the 2,000 or 2,500 foot level, there could be a few flakes flying around. North Scottsdale, Carefree, Cave Creek, Anthem, the McDowell Mountains, Fountain Hills. Those higher elevations, yes, you could get a dusting of snow, and maybe up on the McDowell Mountains, maybe an inch of snow. Not out of the question, absolutely. Lower elevations across Metro Phoenix, the heart of the valley, I would say most of the precipitation will remain as rain. Nevertheless, a few flakes may come down. This is a forecast sounding again coming off the HRRR at 2 a.m. tomorrow morning. And it actually does have the precipitation, the probable precipitation type as snow. Not saying it's going to snow, but certainly if there is ever a possibility, atmospherically speaking, for snow in Phoenix, this is about the best chance you're ever going to see. Especially with that frozen layer getting much closer to the ground. Very steep lapse rates continue through the atmosphere. The cold air is very close to the surface, so why not? There could be a stray snow shower someplace. If you see it, it'd be a great shot for Photo Friday. I'm sure we're going to have some snow pics coming up for Photo Friday. Overnight lows tonight will be cold, mostly in the 30s. Then tomorrow morning, rain, some scattered snow showers possible, and then it turns to scattered rain showers in the afternoon, maybe a clap of thunder too. High temperatures again only in the mid-40s to low 50s. Then Tuesday night, this should be the coldest temperatures we see for quite a while. Overnight lows, mid-20s in the colder pockets, mid-30s in the urban core. Wednesday, we turn partly sunny, a little warmer, highs mid and upper 50s. Thursday, we're in the mid-60s, maybe upper 60s with mostly cloudy skies. Another system is knocking on the door. On Friday, the GFS once again is flip-flopped a little. It's starting to speed up the onset of this next system. Still, I think probably the morning hours are just mostly cloudy. Then we turn cloudy in the afternoon with showers becoming likely. High temperatures back into the low 60s. Friday night, showers continue. Then by Saturday, most of that moves out of here. We turn partly sunny, high temperatures back into the upper 50s and low 60s. Same thing on Sunday, partly sunny, upper 50s and low 60s. Here's a week from today. This is Monday, the 1st of February, another very cold system along the Pacific Northwest coast. Around here, we're looking dry with temperatures rather seasonal. This is Tuesday, the 2nd of February. That system now making its way into the Great Basin. Very cold system once again. And so a chance of showers would be approaching us from the west. And then here is the end of the forecast period. This is Wednesday, the 3rd of February. And how about another chance at some rain and mountain snow? This system not nearly as cold nor as vigorous, but still the probability of at least some precipitation here across the state does look decent. All right, let's check out rainfall for the Phoenix area over the next couple of weeks, coming off of the European ensemble. And the ensemble mean is pretty close to an inch. And just for the heck of it, let's take a look at the snow output coming off of the European ensemble. You've got 51 members here, and there are 3 of them that show measurable snow. Now, keep in mind, this is based on Sky Harbor Airport. I sincerely doubt they'll see any measurable snow. But again, the higher elevations, the McDowell Mountains, and those favored upslope areas of the surrounding metro, yes, you could absolutely get at least a little bit of snow. The heart of the valley, the urban core, you probably see none or just a few flakes, if anything at all. But this is realistically about the best chance you'll ever get at seeing snow in Phoenix. It just does not snow here very often. The last measurable snow that occurred officially at Sky Harbor Airport happened in December of 1990, so it is a very rare event for us. All right, temperatures off the national blend of models. Yeah, it's cold today and tomorrow. We start out rather cold on Wednesday, and then we'll be warming it up as we go into the weekend and next week. Highs getting at least closer to climatological averages. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. Updates before that if necessary. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe out there, especially in this wild weather. Enjoy the rain or snow, and have yourselves a fantastic Monday.